In this video,
That is rubber. Oh, blimey. As a lot of you will know, I like going to Lidl and Aldi and buying their middle aisle tools. When I do these tool unboxing reviews, by the way, subscribe, I've got loads more videos on my channel. A lot of people say, oh, that's not in my store, I've not seen it in my store. And others say in their store there's a better range. So what I decided to do is whenever I'm around the country is pop into an Aldi store or a Lidl store as I'm passing by and just seeing what they've got. Well, recently I did that, popped into a couple of Aldi stores, picked some items up that I'm going to show you in this video. But also next door, I saw Home Bargains and I forgot how good they are for tools and accessories, consumables, that sort of thing. Notice I've got my thicker coat on. It's a bit colder in the UK at the minute and I need to sort the heating out in this shed. So I got a bag full of stuff from Home Bargains. Let me show you what I got. Hello Sheddies, and you join me again in my shed. I always say Sheddies, but what are we? Are we Sheddies? Are we tool enthusiasts? Are we tool fans? Are we woodworkers? Well, going by the comments, it's a mixed bag of people. Some of us got garages, some have got sheds. So what are we? I was thinking probably makers, maybe. Put your comments below. Right, let's have a look what I got. Right, I've had to zoom out for this pair of steps from Aldi, reduced from $19.99 to $14.99. I've already got some steps in here, but they are on their last legs. Let me grab them. By the looks of it, they're on the last 3 legs. Look at that, look, it's broken off completely. I don't know why I've hung on to them, but they've done their time, they've lasted a while. Do I save them and keep the tube for something? I don't know, I should just give it to the scrap man. Anyway, so I bought these, a 2-step stool, foldable. As you can see, fold out like that. Great for in the shed, for getting up into the rafters to get boxes down, etc. Seem really sturdy. Let me change the angle of the camera. There they are, folded out. So they've got like a slider bracket here to position it. And then underneath, you can see under there, it's got a little hook. So you have to release that hook to release them. So push that back. You can fold them up like that. Easy enough. We've all seen them before. Didn't think they were too bad. Oh, look, there's some instructions on there. That'll be a fascinating read. So the sizes, if you need them, 46 by 95 by 15 centimeters folded, unfolded, 46 by 59 by 82 centimeters. Nice rubber steps. Ribbed. Oh, they're not rubber, actually. They're like a plastic. Work zone. Code if you need it, 3097. Load capacity, 150 kilos. Just about old me. Rubber grip, now that is rubber. Round the top, rubber grip. I should put you on the tripod really, but you get the idea. Folds out, there we go. It's got plastic protector feet at the back and then 2 rubber feet at the front. Seems well made, seems solid. So I can get up there, get me boxes up there, boxes everywhere. And obviously for painting in the house or whatever in the house. Next, zoom back in. Whoop. Douche. And I tell you what I forgot, glasses. Whoop. You may remember in another video, I got these big wipes, scrub and clean. Check it out if you haven't seen them. These are really good. They're very abrasive. And they've got aloe vera, vitamin E, good for the hands, tools and surfaces. Well, these were £2.99. And I went to another Aldi and they're reduced to £1.49. So I bought 2 more. Get them while we can. By the way, those steps from Aldi were from a branch near Oxford, and these were from another branch near Oxford. There was nothing else really. Aldi seems to have slowed down a lot on tools recently, I find. Next, the bag full of stuff from Home Bargains. And when I say good from Home Bargains, I mean cheap. So this is the section for DIY and motoring at Home Bargains. As you can see, good selection, definitely worth a look. First item, a pack of paintbrushes. Now, I've had these before, actually. I can't remember if it was from Home Bargains or not. A 10-pack, £2.99 these were. I try and keep my paintbrushes as long as possible by cleaning them, but it's always handy to have some in the drawer. Let's just open these up and have a quick bristle test. And when I say cheap items, there we go. What I really mean is good value for money. So let's just do a quick bristle test. None coming out. Mixed synthetic bristles. 2 at 1/2 inch, 3 at 1 inch, 3 at 1.5 inch, and 2 at 2 inch. Beaver tail handle, painted on yellow bit at the end there, with a hole if you want to hang it. Don't think that's bad value for money. Next, look at these furniture pads, 99 pence. Premium felt pads for sticking on under furniture legs, etc. Some square. In fact, let's open it up. I'll put these in a box, I think. Yeah, we've got different sizes. They're about 25mm, 20mm. Let's see how stickable they are. I actually use one of these for a cupboard door in the kitchen that hits the wall, and it works brilliantly. It's stuck really well. You can see how sticky it is. Use that again. That's what we got. About 28mm-ish. And then we've got some rectangular pads, self-adhesives. And of course, we can cut these down as well. And that's why I've got some large pads at the back. 99p for the lot. That is, I think, a bargain. I think we'll find many uses for those. I've actually bought these from, where did I buy them from? Lidl or Aldi before. And I'm sure they were £1.99 from there. So, yeah, good bargain there. Next. Before I go on to the next item, I thought I'd show you some things that are available at Parkside Lidl at the moment. And there's these shelves here, $34.99 or 2 for 60 quid, adjustable. And then $19.99 for electric weed burner. $89.99 for a wet and dry vac. Don't think it was a bad price. $14.99 for these shovels. And then $49.99 for these telescopic aluminium ladders. Back to the things I bought from Home Bargains. Rigger gloves are ideal for one of the grinding wheel or the wire wheel, whatever. 99p from Spear & Jackson. I think they were 99p. I must say, bit of a disclaimer, I lost my receipts. I've got a mental note what most of the prices are. I'll only be slightly out if I'm out at all. But yeah, I know they were 99p. Rigger gloves, select. That must be the basic range, is it? General purpose. Lightweight and durable for general handling, minimal risk jobs. These are probably more for handling rubble, that sort of thing. But anyway, do your own research first. 99p. Next, wire brush. Stainless steel wire brush. 8 inches. Little hanger at the end there as well. Nice rubber grip. We like to see rubber. Sure grip. Good for cleaning up tools, etc. Made by the range. I think I noticed there's a lot of stuff in Home Bargains by Equip. I think it's a lower end range, of course, but I think that was $159. I think it's around that sort of mark anyway. Nice. Next, pack of 3 wire brushes. Now these were £1.29. Equip again, mini wire brush set. Nylon or synthetic bristle on there. That's quite neat there, isn't it? A little bit at the end, just getting in tight spots for cleaning up tools or cleaning up anything really. And then we've got the steel bristles on that one. Is that rubber? It's rubberish. It's not plastic anyway. Say a little hanger at the end. Pack of 3, and then there's this stainless steel, coated stainless steel, would you say? Doesn't say on the pack. But yeah, these will come in handy. I've got some of these already, but yeah, £1.29 for all 3. Next, lighter fluid, Swan as well. Loads of uses for this. Goes without saying, it's highly flammable. Was suggested using this to get the glue off jam jars, honey jars, to get the labels off. But yeah, it's going to come in useful. It's going to come in handy in the shed, 99p. Next, instant super glue. I'm going to try this at some point. In fact, let's try it now. This was 39p or thereabouts. I also got a double pack of Yoo-hoo super glue. And they were $1.29 for the pack of 2. So I just thought I'd get them both just to see how good they are. I normally use what brand do I use? I normally use super glue with an activator or CA glue. This will be like the gel stuff, I would have thought. Let's stick something together. We have to pierce these, don't we? Yep. Oh, sugar. Back on top. 2 bits of wood. Laminated MDF. Let's put a little bit on there. Oop, 1 splodge. In fact, what we'll do, put a bit of activator on there. Aerosol activator mitre bond. And it's stuck. Oh yeah. Well, it's stuck. Don't think we expected anything different, but stuck quite well actually. Putting a few kilos of force on there. pushing it now. Really pushing it now. Cool, blimey. I'm pushing it that way, by the way. And I am putting a lot of strain on that. Jeez! Oh, it comes off that way, of course. But, yeah. It does what it says on the tin. Next. Won't bother testing that. Next. Goggles. I've already got a good pair of DeWalt goggles, but it doesn't do any harm having a spare pair, just in case I've got a helping hand or whatever. 99 pence. Made by Honeywell. There's a lot of instructions for a pair of goggles, isn't there? Look at that lot. Little breathers on there. They're all right. Feel okay. I've even got my glasses on underneath. Don't seem to be misting up. Well, they do a bit, not much. What do we expect for 99p? Flexible. And the green, match my Parkside range. Next, as usual, I'd have missed things out on this video or got things wrong. So that's why your comments mean a lot to me and others. So please comment below, and also your thoughts and opinions. Heavy duty gloves, disposable gloves in black, large. They're either 99p or 1.99. I've forgotten, sorry, but they're about that. Oh. I thought they were disposable gloves. They're not. I've not read the label. Do you know what I've done? I've just seen that on there. For some reason, I thought there was 15 in the pack of disposable gloves, but they're not. They're rubber gloves. So I've got a pair of black marigolds by the looks of it. They're large, so hopefully they'll fit. Oh yeah. Yeah. Just want to get them further up my arm. Super strong, good for the garden. They're obviously waterproof. Natural rubber glove. Cotton flock lined with beaded cuff. Use if you've got allergy to latex. Keep out of reach, children. Rinse in clean water after use. Wipe dry. So this might be good for doing the dirty jobs around the house. Cleaning out the drains, maybe. But there we go. A pair of black rubber gloves. Which reminds me, I need to get some more of these gloves, but for the right hand. Next. Palm coated latex gloves. Spear & Jackson again. Select. Suitable for general purpose, workshop, automotive, crafts and hobbies, light work. Well, I'm never going to lose these, am I? 99 pence these were. It's sometimes a bit heavy-handed, look. I've left the tag on. Scissors. Oh, yeah, they feel good. Feel good. Rough on the palm. Easy for better grip. Medium size 8. Well, they are certainly a snug fit, but they'll be okay. Next, bin bags. We always get through these. Heavy duty, 50 off, and the size is 600 by 800 mil. Thick and sturdy, reliable bags, £2.99. When I'm cleaning up the shed and getting rid of wood or whatever, then these always come in handy. So we'll look how the feel of them are. Well, they're not the thinnest, but they're certainly not the thickest I've seen. Yeah, they'll do for the shed. That reminds me, I've seen a video once where a guy got a load of wood, put it in a black bin bag, put a vacuum on it, suck all the air out, and then he stored it away. I thought, what a great idea. Like you do with clothes and stuff, when you put them under the bed out the way, like summer clothes, etc. I'm going to try that one day. Shove some timber or whatever so I can pack it up if I'm not using it for a while, and then stuck it away, or anything else I want to store. But yeah, there we go. Black bin bags. Next, pack of AA batteries. Panasonic 6+2 free. I really use these for low usage things like remote controls, etc. 99 pence. They're not going to last forever. The zinc carbon. But yeah, for remote controls and the like, not bad. A while back I bought this double hook from Aldi as well. I was wondering what I could use it for. Come in handy for the steps. I had to take my coat off. I worked up a bit of a sweat there. A lot of stores around the country and around the world. Home Bargains is one of them stores that I forgot about and realised how good they were for things like this. There's a lot of stuff in there I probably wouldn't touch because it might be a bit too inferior. But for your little essentials around the shed, around the workshop, I don't think you can go wrong. Your comments below, what are we? Are we makers? Are we tool fanatics? I see in the comments there's turners, there's welders, there's cabinet makers, there's DIYers, there's all sorts of people that watch What are we? What are we as this little community? Put a link on the screen now to the playlist of all my tool reviews, mainly Parkside from Lidl. If you're new here, please subscribe. I've got loads more videos to come, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, take care, and remember, keep calm and head to the shed. Cheers! See you next time on Weekend Shedhead.